Okay, Mom, so you've got your sand. Looks like this, right? So you can make it, like you said, you can make it into a hard ball if you wanted to, right? And yeah, you can just drop that, it'll stay like that. But if you take the hard ball and just kind of pull it apart, that's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about letting it run through your fingers. And you kind of have to like push it along, but that's what it does. And like if you wanted to, like you said, you can't really model stuff because it'll break apart. So like, I'll show you. You can take the whole entire thing and form it into a ball. That's what me and Miles like doing. And then you can even like make like a nose and eyes so it looks like a face. But then you see this is what happens to it. Now, you can probably make a little ball, a tighter ball, and make it into something that you want, but it won't stay like that forever. So this is what I'm talking about when I say run it through your fingers, like this.